Yeah. With. Oh, okay. We'll just.
Alright guys, Pitbikesonic here. Pitbike content is back today. We are here today at Sublime to get the Pitbike graphics done. So today we're going to go through the full procedure. We're going to get them designed, printed out and stuck on the bike. Dale here at Sublime is he's done this for a really long time. I think I got my first ever Pitbike graphics done by Dale at Sublime, but he's come on a long way since then. The setup in here is truly amazing. So whether you've got big bikes, pit bikes, he pretty much wraps anything, to be honest with you, even out of the bike world. I've even seen a Henry Hoover in there that's been wrapped. So yeah, amazing setup. So we're going to go through with you guys, show you the design we're doing. It's going to be a little different. Obviously CW have gone now, so we're totally having a change of what it was. So let's get inside and let's get this bike looking pucker. Right, so Dale had already started a design last night, and look at that already. Not quite an easy pleaser, but that looks just epic. I can't wait to see it on the bike. Got all the logos, subscribe button. Mega. Right, so we're doing the design at the moment. I've just shown you some pictures of what it looks like on the computer at the moment. It looks absolutely mega. If any of you guys want to know, Dale does do pit bike graphics for any style pit bike, CRF 110s, CRF 70s. They're the most popular ones, but he will do graphics for any pit bikes. Cost around 140 quid. That does sound a lot, but trust me, these are 10 times better than your Chinese just normal graphics you would get with your bike. Like the quality and the design that Dale goes into, it just looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, 140 quid for some graphics is expensive, but you're going to have one of the best looking bikes on the grid, and it is going to look stunning once we get these graphics on the bike in a bit. So that is the final design, guys. There's a little extra fab thing there, but we'll talk about that later. But that is the final design. I'm now going to go heading off to the printers now, and we're also going to show you what Dale does here at Sublime if he hasn't got the template for your bike. So if you've got mini motos or any sort of bike that's a bit random, he can do it for you. So we'll show you that in a second, guys, but we'll head off to the printer now and get these printed off. So I'm guessing this is the gloss top, yeah?
Yeah, gloss lamination. Either have matte or gloss. One or the other. What was it when they're wrong? Yeah. With
right. So, like as we spoke earlier, if maybe you've got really odd pit bike plastics that Dale hasn't got here at Sublime, that he can use this 3D scanner to be able to do it and make the wrap for your bike. But that's also for you guys at Fab who've got mini motos as well, so Blatter mini motos or anything like that. Dale can do it, and we're about to show you how he can do it with this 3D scanner, so you get the perfect wrap for your bike. He's done all of his editing, cleaned it up from what it is on the computer screen there, which that is that transponder up there. Doesn't look perfect at the moment, but then you obviously clean it up and you can then do a wrap for pretty much anything then. And also making parts as well, which I did see you have a 3D printer in there.
we sure have.
Right, yeah, so that's quick showing you guys what you can do, what Dale can do here if there is something that you think is a bit oddball. He'll still be able to sort you out. Mini moto fairings, pit bike fairings, just quickly showing you what he can do. We'll get back now to printing mine off that are still in the printer at the moment. Right, so Dale, thankfully, is now doing the bit that I'm horrifically bad at, and that is putting graphics on. If you see some of the state of the ones that are on my other bikes, I'm glad he's doing it, because I'm horrendous. Apparently he does it in his sleep now, so it'll be a hell of a lot better than I am at it.
Joe, that might be awesome.
Because I appreciate you doing this for me, so I'll quite happily vlog a weekend for you.
Sometimes things don't go quite right.
Oh, it's bike racing, it's not all sunshine, is it?
Having a few goes right down on a little.
He lets me ride my Ninja 300 round there as well.
Yeah. On the little tiny nothing things, what were they? Your mini motor.
Yeah, I used to race mini motors before. Well, I did I did the whole circle. I started with mini motors when I was a kid. Then I did super teens. Then I did mini twins. Parents said I had to pay for it for myself because my brother was getting good. So then I went all the way back to mini motos, pit bikes, and now I'm starting big bikes again. So I'm doing the full circle. Right guys, so the bike is all done now. Oh my god, how good does it look? It looks absolutely brilliant. Dale here at Sublime has done an absolutely amazing job, and if you want to get your pit bikes wrapped and looking as stunning as this, I totally recommend it. 140 quid to get a full graphic kit, and we're even going to go a little bit further with the graphics. So we're going to get some graphics made for the bottom of the catch tray, and we're also going to get some graphics made for the hand guards as well. So that's going to set it off even better. So we're going to get some more stuff done so you guys can see what it's like. Hopefully I'm going to be doing some videos with Dale at Sublime in the future, maybe a race weekend with him because he races in the Bentley Mini Twins. Same championship as what I'm going to be racing on the little Ninja 300, not in the same class obviously. But yeah, we're going to be doing some more videos with him, and maybe some more videos with him here at Sublime, wrapping some road bikes and doing some other things. But the pit bike, oh my god, it looks absolutely stunning. Yeah, once we get it all finished off, get some other little bits done to it, it's going to look great this season. Yeah, massive thank you to Dale here at Sublime. If you've enjoyed this video guys, I'll put a link to his Instagram down below, so go give that a follow and see some of the absolute other amazing work that he does. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Cheers guys for watching, and I'll see you next vlog. Will probably be helping Alfie out at Brands Hatch on Sunday for his ACU test. Until then guys, I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.